morning and thank you for joining us. Let's start today's technical analysis with the Bitcoin USD pair and recent events during the markets. Greg?
Bitcoin has gained 11% in the last 3 sessions. The RSI has bounced upwards into the overbought area. The euro-dollar pair has gained 0.6% in the last 3 sessions. The CCI has gradually receded into the neutral zone. The sterling-dollar pair has added 1.2% in the last 3 sessions. The CCI is cooling down and is currently neutral. The Aussie-dollar pair has added 0.3% in the last 3 sessions. The ultimate oscillator has shifted into overbought territory.
Thank you for sharing with us. Now let's hear from our news department.
Facebook Inc. accused rival Apple Inc. of engaging in anti-competitive practices, firing another shot in the standoff between the 2 tech giants over Apple's planned privacy changes for iOS 14. British lawmakers could be recalled as early as next week to legislate for a Brexit trade deal, if one is agreed on with the European Union, according to the PM's office. The major U.S. cryptocurrency exchange Coinbase's retail and professional-focused platforms were hit by connection problems as Bitcoin smashed through $20,000 to its highest level ever.
Thank you for this. Coming up, today's major economic events.
The Australian employment change will be released at 0:30 GMT, the Australian participation rate at 0:30 GMT, the Australian unemployment rate at 0:30 GMT. The UK retail sales at 700 GMT, the Swiss trade balance at 700 GMT, and the Eurozone CPI at 1000 GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed today's market outlook. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to join our next review for the latest news and events from the financial markets.